Hello everyone, my name is Bob Williams. We at Coldwell Banker Hearthside are excited to welcome you to the latest in our video snapshots of important real estate market conditions here in Bucks County, Pennsylvania. We will periodically cover observations that are vitally important to agents, buyers, and sellers. So let's get started today with some of that most recent information available and related observations. First one, file this one under the health of Bucks County real estate. You know, with so much talk in the national press, internet, the blogosphere, about so-called distressed sales, and those would be foreclosures and short sales and the like. Most recent national numbers put that segment, distressed sales, at 32% of sales from the most recent recorded month. Big number. In Bucks County, the comparable number is under 5%, 4.6%. 32% plus, 5%. That's an important signpost of a relatively healthy market here in Bucks. Now, moving to the current reading of the pulse, if you will, of Bucks County single-family market. The pace of year-to-date sales in 2010 was 11.4% over 2009, a strong result. Those 2,845 homes sold on average at prices that were actually up 3.9% versus last year. The average list price of homes in inventory, those to be sold, was down somewhat, under 2%, about minus 1.7% versus last year. The number of homes, okay, we just talked about the price. The number of homes on the market is about flat versus last year, up maybe 1% or so. So what's interesting is the number of months of homes in inventory, so kind of like the way you would think about the amount of inventory to be sold, now represents 10.9 months worth of sales at the current pace. So that's a relatively beefy number if we consider real estate historically. Typically a balanced market is about 6 months or so. So 10.9 months is on the heavy side, but it's actually improved about a half a month over the same time last year, reflecting that 11% plus sales pace that we talked about. So on balance, a relatively strong result, but still digging out a bit. Lastly, the best forward-looking indicator we have in real estate, because most of the time we've just talked about things that have happened in the past, is what we call pending sales. Those contracts that were executed in the current month for future closings, obviously. Likely reflecting the expiring tax credit. Pending sales in the month were down about 22% versus the same time last year, 22% down. Most likely the effect of the tax credit. The effect of it was to pull business forward from the third and fourth quarter of 2010 and have it recorded earlier. Most likely that would have been, we think, people's reaction to it. It's too soon to forecast, but that's likely the effect we believe on the full year. Time will tell. Lastly, you know, folks, national press reports, real estate conditions tend to grab headlines. You know, anything from Today's Show to USA Today and that sort of thing. And of course it gets people's attention. But in reality, all real estate is local. We firmly believe it is important to know the Bucks County facts. So to obtain key information in Bucks County, such as price movement, appreciation, inventory trends, sales volumes, contact one of our great Coldwell Banker Hearthside agents or visit us on our management team website. Thank you.